Oh. Oh, hello. Come on. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. No, you want the peanut butter, not the spoon. She's gonna put the entire spoon in her mouth.
What is she doing? Don't take the spoon, please.
Eat the peanut butter. No, she's just gonna have peanut butter on her feet. No, just eat the peanut butter out. She likes chewing on things. She's gonna get peanut butter like all over her.
No idea what she's doing. It's food, you idiot. What the frick?
This is way better than the peanut butter eating. She's gonna try and escape with it.
The other hamster, I gave a piece of wood, and she ran along and made all this music on the sides. Like, oh, because she's trying to pick it up. Don't you realize it's covered in peanut butter?
She thinks she's people. She's like drooling all over the place.
I can't believe how much attention she's giving to it. This is awesome. She's like holding her head up high, being a little fancy.
Ooh, she likes the peanut butter. This is a delicious spoon. Delicious spoon.
Is she eating the peanut butter or the spoon?
Oh. She probably thinks that that's what the spoon tastes like. She's playing fetch.
What the frick? What are you doing? She wants to take it home. That's what she wants to do.
And
had energy and took trees.
Yeah. But that's what he used to do with it. Like, look how clever I am.
So weird.
She's trying to dig a hole out of the cage.
She's trying to manipulate it. She's trying to get it with her hands and her mouth. What the frick?
Having fun. She's gonna have peanut butter all over her fur, which she'll lick up eventually.
She'll easily get it. She's just sitting in it now. No, she'll enjoy licking that off.
That tastes good today. Tastes like spoon.
She's got like her own dance going on with this.
This could totally go on YouTube.
I think so. Yeah. Oh, she's just loving it.
She looks like Gollum right now.